Hello everyone. We are looking at chapter complex number, phase 3, and we are at exercise 1, question number 29 here. Let's look at the question. Question is, A and B are two complex numbers such that A by B plus B by A is equal to 1. Prove that origin and the points represented by A, B will form vertices of a equilateral triangle. All right. Again, a good question on equilateral triangle, and solving such questions, if we are able to retain that they are going to always form this kind of relationship, good. Otherwise, let's see how to approach this question. Now, again, this question, I would be honest that the process that is shown also here and that which I'm going to use also, we have to develop into that kind of trick. I cannot tell you that this is how you will do. First of all, where we have to go to, let's quickly understand. Suppose A and B. So these are 2 points A and B. We have to show that these are going to form an equilateral triangle. So essentially what we have to say that this and this are going to be equal to the third side, which is either B minus A or A minus B, however we can call it. So if this is A, this is B, so this is B minus A or A minus B, right? So this is where we have to reach. If you are able to show that the sides are equal, then it is an equilateral triangle. Now, the process or the thing that you can see here is A by B is equal to 1 minus B by A. This is what is given in the question. And this is nothing but A minus B by A. All right, fine. So this is an expression with addition. Now you cannot take mod both sides because we don't know how to, it is not so straightforward to deal with the mod of a addition or subtraction of a complex number. But if they are in terms of factor, we know that taking mod is easier. So for example, when we rearrange it like this, now we can take mod both sides. So we can quickly say that this is same as this. A minus B mod and A. I think this is very straightforward. So yes, this is a very usual or very common step that we must follow, that whenever it is two complex number as given as addition or subtraction, try to make them into factors so that you can take mod both sides. Now here, that means A square by B mod is equal to A minus B. Fine. So this is one result we are left with. Now similarly, we can write, where did it? So we can write B by A is 1 by A minus B. Same thing we do here. So we reach to, and then B by A is equal to B minus A divided by B. Now again, we can take mod both sides. So this comes to B squared by A is equal to B minus A. Now this is an important step because we know A minus B and B minus A, the mods are going to be equal. Two complex number, the distance, because B minus A is giving you distance between A and B. This is essentially this vector it is giving us, and the distance between B and A, or the magnitude of the vector. So we know that they are going to be equal. So we can equate this term and this term as well. Sorry, mod. So if you cross multiply, we get A cube. A cube is equal to B cube. And that means A cube minus B cube is equal to 0. Now we know that this is going to factor into 1 A cube minus B cube into then A square plus B square plus A and B, and this one will give us complex factors, and this will give A cube. A is equal to B, or mod A is equal to B, or length of vector A is equal to length of vector B. So the second part we are not taking because mod A and mod B are going to be real numbers. This we know is omega and omega square. This, from here we come to the conclusion that these two are equal. Now, if A is equal to B, we have still to prove that it is equal to B minus A. So in any of the equation, just plug it that A is equal to B. So for example, in here, if we plug that B mod is equal to A mod, then you can see that this becomes that B mod or modning, the modulus or the length of B is same as this. So the length of B vector is equal to length of this. So that implies that all the three vectors are equal in length or they form an equilateral triangle. All right. So what happened here actually was A by B, B by A is equal to 1. Then it is going to form a, with the origin, it is going to form an equilateral triangle. We have to basically rearrange so that it comes into factors. When it comes into factor, we can take mod 2. All right.